Landmark Nutrition is Trow Nutrition's North America manufacturing plant for medication-free specialized products, also known as premixes, micro-ingredients, or minerals. It is located in Landmark, Manitoba. These specialized products will be incorporated into complete feed intended for animal nutrition, including aquaculture. 1/3 of its production is dedicated to products for ruminants. It also produces premixes for the poultry, swine, and aquaculture sectors. Landmark Nutrition was built in 1998, and since then, its facilities have continuously been expanded and improved. Over the years, among other additions, a 20,000 square foot warehouse was built to support the significantly increased production. This warehouse was designed to meet high biosecurity standards. Within the mill, cleanliness is exceptional, and the coordination of product entries and exits is meticulously planned. This is why so many marked lanes and numbered aisles are seen on the floor. The ingredients used in the production of our premixes must be of the highest quality and remain stable during storage. That's why we use near-infrared spectroscopy, or NIR technology, to control their quality, variation, and precision. Landmark Nutrition has a maximum capacity of producing 24,000 tons of specialized products annually, shipped throughout North America. With its standardized and automated processes, Landmark Nutrition is an ultra-modern facility with a weekly production capacity of 550 tons. The facility has 2 production lines, including a mixer capable of blending 6 tons of product per hour, a line for large 1,000-kilogram big bags, also called totes, and a bagging line for 20 to 25-kilogram bags. The most recently installed line can bag up to 12 tons, or 550 bags, of specialized products per hour through a fully automated bagging line that meets high-level safety and environmental standards. This helps eliminate dust and reduces the amount of plastic used for bag shipping. Instead of using plastic, the bags are glued with a water-based glue on the pallets instead of being wrapped in plastic, because at Trow Nutrition, we have sustainability at our core, and health and safety are our major priorities. At Trow Nutrition, we uphold superior quality standards through NuTrace, our company-wide quality program. NuTrace ensures our unwavering commitment to quality assurance, guaranteeing the safety and quality of our products and services. This commitment holds true at Landmark Nutrition, where we apply our highest standards for the quality and production of our specialized products.